If you're over 50 and you've been thinking about starting a side hustle, but every time you search online, you end up with a list of 47 ideas and absolutely no idea which one is actually right for you, this video is going to solve that. Because in the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you the exact framework for figuring out which type of side hustle fits your skills, your lifestyle, and your income goals. And at the end, I'll show you a free 2-minute quiz that does all of this for you automatically. Here's the thing nobody talks about. Most side hustle advice is written for 25-year-olds with nothing to lose, unlimited energy, and 6 free hours every evening. That's not us. We've got commitments, we've got routines that work, we've also got something those 25-year-olds don't, and it's the most valuable thing in any business. We've got decades of real experience. The problem isn't that you don't have something to offer. You absolutely do. The problem is knowing how to package it, and which type of side hustle actually matches how you like to work. Because here's what I see happen all the time. Someone brilliant starts doing freelance consultancy, but they're actually an introvert who would thrive running a membership site. Or someone spends 6 months trying to build a YouTube channel when they'd be happier and faster earning money through affiliate marketing. Getting this wrong doesn't just cost time, it costs confidence. And that's a shame, because the right hustle, the one that genuinely fits you, feels completely different. So let me walk you through what I think are the 7 most realistic and rewarding side hustles for people over 50. And as I go through them, see which ones make you lean forward. Number 1. Digital products and online courses. This is where you take your knowledge, your professional expertise, your hard-earned experience, and turn it into an ebook, a course, or a template that you sell online. The beautiful thing about digital products is you create them once and they sell over and over again. If you've ever thought, I wish I could just bottle up what I know and sell it, this is that. Number 2. Membership sites and communities. This is where people pay you a monthly subscription to access your knowledge, your content, and your community. Think of it as a Netflix subscription, but you're the content creator. It creates predictable, recurring income, and if you love the idea of ongoing relationships with a group of like-minded people, this is incredibly rewarding. Number 3. Coaching and consulting. One-to-one. You work with individual clients who want your personal guidance. This commands premium rates, often hundreds of pounds per session, because it's direct and personal. If you love deep conversations and helping someone solve their specific problem, this might be your sweet spot. Number 4. Freelance services. Offering a specific professional skill, writing, marketing strategy, bookkeeping, HR advice, project management, to businesses that need it on a flexible basis. It's fast to start, requires almost no investment, and uses skills you've already spent years developing. Number 5. Teaching and tutoring. Workshops, classes, one-to-one tutoring, online seminars. People over 50 are often extraordinary teachers, patient, deep, credible. And the demand for people who actually know their subject inside out is huge. Number 6. Affiliate marketing. You build an audience around a topic you love, through a blog, a newsletter, social media, and you earn commissions by recommending products and services you genuinely believe in. Slower to build, but once it's running, it can generate income while you sleep. And number 7. Creative services and products. Photography, writing, illustration, crafts, music. If you have a creative skill that brings you joy, there are more ways than ever to monetize it. Selling your work, taking commissions, licensing your creations. Now, did 1 or 2 of those make you sit up a little? Good, hold that feeling. Here's what separates people who find the right hustle quickly from those who spend months going around in circles. It comes down to 5 questions. 1. How do you like to work? Do you love one-to-one relationships with people? Or would you rather create something once and send it to thousands? 2. How much time do you genuinely have? Not in theory, in reality. 3 hours a week needs a very different approach to 15. 3. What's your relationship with technology? Not everyone needs to be technical, but knowing your comfort level points you towards the right type of hustle. 4. What does success look like for you? Supplementing your pension, building something meaningful. Both are valid, but they lead to different choices. And 5. Are you happiest in front of people or behind the scenes? Some hustles need visibility. Others let you work quietly in the background and still earn well. Your honest answers to these 5 questions will immediately rule out half the options on the list. and make 2 or 3 of them feel obvious. Now, I've built a free quiz that asks you exactly these questions, plus a few more, and gives you your personalized top 3 side hustle matches. It takes literally 2 minutes, there's no email required. And when you get your result, there's actually a surprise free guide waiting for you. It's called Your First 90 Days, and it walks you through exactly what to do once you know which hustle is yours. The link is in the description. It's thethoughtfulhustle.com/quiz/side-hustle-quiz.html, or you can just search Thoughtful Hustle Quiz and it'll come straight up. Here's what I want you to do right now. Pause this video, click the link, take the quiz. It's 2 minutes and the result will give you a direction, a specific personalized direction that most people spend months trying to figure out on their own. And when you do, drop your result in the comments below. I read every single one, and I'd genuinely love to know which hustle comes up as your match. If this was useful, please hit the like button. It helps more people over 50 find this kind of content. Subscribe if you want more practical, honest advice about building income in the second half of your career. I'll see you in the next one.